Hi guys, I wanted to make a video and walk you through next week since we will see each other on Tuesday, but if we're coming together on Tuesday, you need to be prepared for Tuesday, okay? Next week is week 12, and the only thing we have due next week is our Project 2 final. Now, we have two in-class meetings next week, one on Tuesday, the 13th, and one on Thursday, the 15th. The one on Tuesday is our Pro Lab class, okay? And I wrote this here. Pro Lab Day means that if your Project 2 is completely ready to print by Tuesday at your class time, either 11:30 or 12:50, you can bring your print files to class and we can print in the school's production lab that's right across from our classroom. It's up and running. But your project must be completely ready to go, okay? You do not have to have it ready that day. If it's not ready to print and you need a couple of extra days in order to get it ready, then you do not have to come to class on Tuesday. The only people I want in class on Tuesday are the people that are going to print in the Pro Lab. You do have to stay with your group assignments because it takes a little bit longer to print. So hopefully I can get everybody done in the hour and 10 minutes we have per class, okay? So again, if your project 2 is completely finished and ready to print, you may bring me your flash drive with your print ready file to class on Tuesday, and you will leave that class with printed copies that you just have to put together and mount, okay? Thursday, our in-class lecture is mandatory for everyone. 11:30 for group A, 12:50 for group B. We will be turning in your printed presentation, okay? I don't think we have time for everyone to do a in-class presentation. If we do, then you will not have to do a video on the discussion board, okay? So we'll have class in your group A and group B, 11:30 and 12:50. You will be bringing your printed presentation for Project 2 to class, okay? So Project 2 final is due Thursday, 4:15 at 11:30. All digital files are due at 11:30, before 11:30, okay? That means that group B does not get any extra time because they don't have class until 12:50, okay? All digital submissions are due at 11:30 a.m. on Thursday, okay? Let's go over what is needed for your final. I have it printed out here. I also am going to reference the PDF notes because it's formatted a little better. All right, you will have digital submissions. Your file should be named the following. You should have a file for your menu, a file for your tent 1, and a file for your tent 2. These files need to be packaged. I still have students that are turning in InDesign files that have not been packaged. Even if I don't ask for packaged InDesign files, it should be ingrained in your head that an InDesign file cannot leave your computer without being packaged, okay? You're also going to need your print-ready PDFs, not your foolproof layout. Do not submit to me the foolproof layout, the layout that I taught you how to do so that you could print easier. Now, if you are coming on Tuesday to print at school, bring a foolproof layout to print with, okay? Again, if you're coming on Tuesday to print in our ProLab for ProLab Day, then lay out your menu in a foolproof layout for easy printing in the ProLab. Okay? But for your file submission on Thursday, I do not want a foolproof layout. They should all be in one compressed folder labeled last name _ project 2. Submit all digital files to your assignment Dropbox by the posted due date. The due date is Thursday, 4/15 at 11:30 a.m. You must also post to the discussion board. Post print-ready files to online discussion board for peer critique by posted deadline. That is also, I have that discussion board is due, I have it done by Sunday, 4/16. I gave you Sunday until Sunday to post on the discussion board. If we do not present in class, you will have to make a video. If we do present in class, I will change this so that you only have to post the PDFs. Your printed presentation. 1 fully printed, trimmed, and saddle-stitched menu. I have a special stapler at school. So if a regular stapler does not reach the middle of the folded page, then don't staple, don't mess it up with a regular stapler. I have a special stapler at school. You can wait until you get to school to staple. You also need 2 fully printed, trimmed, and put together table tents. Please don't tape them together. I like to travel with them flat, okay? You also need a project board with the following mounted pieces: the front cover of the menu, the back cover of the menu, and 2 inside pages of your choice. The 4x6 front images of both table tents, okay? So when I say front images, you should have 4x6 images, the front and back. They should be 4 different designs, but I only want the art image, not the bottom flap and everything else. I did provide you with 2 templates. Follow those templates. Okay? So if there are any questions, please email me back. But I am going to send this via email, so make sure that you get it before Tuesday. Hopefully you'll read it and watch it before Tuesday. Have a good weekend.